Hello everybody, my name is Eva and I'm making lifestyle videos, motherhood videos and occasional vlogs. Today I'm coming with a very exciting video for me. I had so much fun to film it and catching those memories because it's already May and I haven't made any of lockdown vlogs or anything like that, so that was really refreshing and I am happy to make that memories and that history to look back in a year. And this video is all about what to do with little kids during lockdown. So what I like to do the most with my children is to just go out and explore the nature, be outside as much as possible. This doesn't cost anything and it builds such a great memories. My daughter absolutely loves being outside, run around and explore. She is a little sensitive girl, I would say, and many things freaks her out. So I feel like going outside really help her going out of the shelf and explore new things. As we are outside, we always try to encourage her to go out of her comfort zone, touch new things, and she loves birds and water. So we are often going to forest. I know this is lockdown, but really nothing stops you to go to the park if it's open or to the forest. I don't know where you live, but some of the parks in my area are closed and some are open, depends of the city. So I'm going to those which are obviously open. There is not many people. I prefer go very early in the morning around 8 a.m. So I am sure that there is nobody there, so we can do social and physical distancing. So as I was saying, going outside and exploring really makes my daughter going out of her comfort zone, and she's also learning a lot, and I would really love her to be a nature lover. So anyway, on there is a group on Facebook called 1000 Hours Outside, and the program and challenge is about going out 1000 hours in a year in total. You basically count them. I count them, but I kind of lost track, so I stopped. But the idea is really great. Basically, kids spend way too much time on the electronics, so to reverse it, it's recommended to go out 2 to 3 hours a day, and I think in total it will give you 1000 hours in a year. I will link the Facebook group down below. Join. It's really nice. Encourage you to go out and get some fresh air. Even my little baby loves it so much. So we always go out and get as much as possible. It costs you nothing, but it really develops their little brains and builds interest. The next thing you can do with children during lockdown is cook with them. They really like to help you out with these activities. Of course, it depends how old they are, but you can give them a little task to do appropriate to their age, and that will build their interest for cooking and do house chores. The next thing is I encourage my daughter to help me cleaning, and she loves it. If she could, she would clean all day long with me. Of course, she is not much helpful. I still have to do it, but she has so much fun doing it that's totally worth it. The next thing I'm encouraging my daughter to do is just play on her own, okay? Like, it's not your job to entertain your child all day long. It really you would be surprised what they can do when they are bored. That's where their imagination starts growing, and they really learn what to do when they are bored. You don't want to occupy them for the rest of your life. Let them be children. Whenever I leave my daughter alone, she always finds something to do, and it really surprised me what 2 years old can do on its own. She goes and dances, she rolls the baby all over the house, she dances and just be loud and happy. It's just nothing better than that, to see your child, like find something to do on its own. I am not a very crafty person, so any DIY it's not my thing, but if you bit into it, then just go on Pinterest. There is so many great ideas. I am not going to help you with that because I am not a very crafty person. We usually go to the library and other facilities like that for this kind of activity. Now they are closed. We don't do any of it, to be honest. All we do is a free play. She has the same toys. You don't have to buy your child 1,000 of new toys during lockdown, because it's just not needed. They will get bored of it very, very quickly. Let their imagination shine instead. So this is it for today's video. Like I said, it was very cool to film it, so you can also encourage your child to, maybe get a little bit artistic that way and get a little camera or something. Go outside. I really, really encourage you to go outside. It doesn't cost you anything. I know that if you live in a apartment or in a big city, that might be a little bit more challenging, but hey, I don't believe that there is nowhere you can go, even if you don't have a car. Even just growing at the front of your house or apartment and whatever it is, and let your child run around. It's really important for them to get that energy out. Otherwise they're like cranky, and you just don't want to be around a child which is cranky. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. That really means a lot for me that you choose this video from all of them. I know that lockdown quarantine tag, what to do under the lockdown, is very, very popular, so you choose mine, and I am really, really happy about that and appreciate that. So if you last that long, please click that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you here. Let me know down below what you do with your little kids right now. I know it can be challenging. It is for me as well, because before I used to be all over the place and going to all those moms meetups and socialize my daughter with other kids. Now I can't, so I'm sticking to the parks and things like that. So let me also know down below what kind of videos you would like me to film. I would really like to know your feedback. Thank you so much for watching once again. Have a wonderful day, and I hope I will see you with my next one. Bye!
You leaned in closer, I should have kissed you. Your hair was longer, I pulled away from it.